All right, so this is lower strength. The first one we've got, it's a tempo squat. We've done the normal just squats with dumbbells before. This one we're gonna focus a little bit more on tempo. So at a 4-0-1, we're looking at 4-second eccentric with no pause at the bottom, and then a 1-second concentric as we come back up. So Jen's gonna start the squat. 4, 3, 2, 1. She's bottoming out, then shooting back up. Now you notice when she comes up, she extends the hip all the way at the top, and there's no pause up there. So for 45 seconds, this is gonna be a smoker if you can limit the rest at the top. Now, because we're trying to integrate a little bit more barbell work in here, so we have a body bar. This is gonna be a little bit more effective than holding on the dumbbells, because the dumbbell is eventually gonna be affecting the grip, and there's just too many variables that are going in there to make it as effective as it would be with a bar in this case. So the same exercise, 4 seconds down, chest is up, eyes are forward, no pause at the top. Now she's going as low as her butt can go. So ideally I want you sitting on your calves on this one and then shoot up. Okay, so that's the tempo squat. Now we're gonna go into the alternating deep lunge. This is a bit of a plyometric. The trick here on this one, arms are just kind of forward and out of the way. We're not doing the Mary Catherine thing where they're shooting up overhead. But the deep part of it is we never come out of hip flexion. So she's gonna stay down there and just pop into these one by one. So it is plyometric. It is gonna do a lot for burning as far as the lactic threshold. So the hope for this is to get that anaerobic effect happening. And then last, we're gonna go to a goblet squat. So that it's a 1.5 times shoulder width at the bottom. So I like a real wide foot stance. The toes are pointing at almost 10 and 2 o'clock. Now, as she drops down, knees travel significantly outward, and we're looking to get the adductors more involved than the normal squat glutes and hams. So as she drops down, knees travel over the toes. There it is, awesome. And when she's weighted enough, that dumbbell's kind of locked into place. She's not struggling to hold that up. So hold the cap of the dumbbell in a fashion that lets you kind of pull it close to the body and concentrate on the legs and not the upper.